Hello everyone, myself Dr. Kanchan Sharma and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to share a herbal homemade toner which will reduce your open pores and also helpful to reduce your acne and acne spot. And one more thing, it is very beneficial for skin tightening. So let's make this homemade toner, but before that don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get all latest notifications. I personally use this homemade toner and this is really effective, chemical free and preservative free. So what else we need? Let's make this toner. For that you need 100 ml of water. And now boil this water. Now switch off your gas. Now you need one orange peel. If you don't have orange, you can take lemon. Now shred this orange peel into this water, add some mint leaf and one green tea bag. Leave it for 1 hour and after 1 hour, just strain this. Your toner is ready. So why we are adding orange peel, mint leaf and green tea? Because orange peel contains lots of vitamin C, which is very good for skin brightening and skin tightening. Nowadays there are lots of products in market which contains vitamin C. Here I am using the natural vitamin C. And the second one was mint leaf. Mint leaf have antibacterial properties, so if you are suffering from acne, this is best. And green tea contains polyphenols, which controls the secretion of sebum, and that's how it shrinks your pore. So these three have amazing combination and this toner is really effective. So how can you store this? Just take a spray bottle and add this toner into this and you can store in your fridge for 1 month. Yes, and whenever you need this, you can just dab cotton into this and you can just apply on your face or you can just spray on your face. This gives amazing effect and aroma is also very good. So I hope you like this video. Try this toner. This is really good. Thanks for watching my video.